Hello and welcome back YouTube. I'm your host, VLD, coming back with another video. And today I want to do a second video for my keyboard review for the iClever family. I usually have the iPad mini 6 with me wherever I travel. It's by far my favorite portable tablet just because it's the perfect form factor. And I like to complement it with my favorite keyboard ever. This is by far my favorite folding keyboard I take with me wherever. Welcome to the king. It is the iClever BK05 King, hands down. I take this with me wherever I go. It literally is the best keyboard I've had. You can pick this off Amazon right now for under $55. It currently weighs 9.9 ounces. The dimensions are 6.5 inches by 4.5 inches and it's 0.63 inches thick, so it's about equally as thick as two iPads when it's folded. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy for superior durability. It'll work with anything with Bluetooth, iOS, Windows, Android, or Mac OS. It's rocking Bluetooth 5.1 and has range of 33 feet. Charging time is only 2 hours for the keyboard, and you are at least given a month or two of wireless usage. Cut that. Unfortunately, it's micro USB. With this keyboard, it's just like the BK03, just bigger, more premium on steroids. One key feature difference about this is it's bigger, it's heavier. It has these little flaps on the front, which unless you actually look into them, you didn't quite know what they are. They fold back. They raise the ends of the keyboards up a little bit just so it's a little bit more leveled. The left one is up, right one is down, just to showcase the difference between them. They are raised a little bit more on the left, which some people actually like, some people don't. So it's just a matter of perspective. Personally, I like having them down just for more of an angle to them. You're given 3 modes of color for backlight. You have red, blue, and green. Have RGB, red, green, blue. And then when you open it up, I just like the folding mechanism. Really like how iClever. It's really cool. Unfortunately, this does charge micro USB, and this is comparison between the BK03 and BK05, comparing the size of the keyboard themselves. And this is the Magic Keyboard from Apple, them showcasing the size difference. Actually, the BK05 is bigger than the Magic one, and the BK03 is fairly small. Just a full-size keyboard compared to a full-size keyboard. The BK05, it's a folding keyboard. It's longer. You sync to 3 different devices, which I use that for all my devices, so you can connect up to 3 different computers, and just the typing experience on this is just really top notch. If you ever get any folding keyboard and you're not worried about size or weight, this is the one to get. The typing experience, the keys just feel natural. Like, this is my personal favorite folding keyboard. Backlit, you have a long battery. Granted, it's a little bit big and bulky, but the travel between the keys is nice. It's raised. The typing experience on this is just so good. The Apple Magic Keyboard, it's pretty good, but I still like the BK05. It's my favorite. But one thing to consider why you should possibly purchase this is if you travel a lot, this is the perfect travel companion. Just for the simple fact, you can connect with 3 different devices. If you work in a dark area, it's backlit. The reasons why you should purchase this: if you do a lot of WordPress, if you do a lot of typing, notes, schooling, or anything, this would be perfect for that. Because if you have multiple computers, let's say you go to the computer lab, you hook this up to the computer, or you bring your tablet with you, your phone, any mobile device, you can connect to it with one easy push of the button, which is very good. If you do a lot of coding, typing, graphic design, if you need a lot of keyboard shortcuts, you do not want to compromise that with a smaller form factor or something that's more of a compromise, just for the simple fact that this is a full-size keyboard, the ability to use it to its full extent. Have you ever tried putting a full-size keyboard in your backpack or your cargo shorts? Personally, I don't think it'll be too much of a good look for Calvin Klein. Personally, this having a nice folding keyboard with the ability to travel with it very pocketable, that is a major selling point. Everything else is just a caveat to it. For that, I've reviewed every keyboard under the sun, and this is by far, hands down, the best one that is out on the market. The keys feel really nice. It feels natural. It's just easy to use. There's no compromises with this device. Those are some key factors for it. Pros about this device are: 1, it's backlit; 2, it's a full-size keyboard; 3, price is around $50 or so. It's pretty good bang for your buck. 4, just the metal build finish of it is really good. 5, hinge mechanism. The tri-folding hinge mechanism, when you open it up, really top notch. Nothing else compares to it. The cons of it, kind of big and bulky. 1 and 2. 3, USB micro, came out 2015, so it happened. Those are the pros and cons of this device. At the end of the day, you vote with your wallet, you choose to get it or not. But for folding keyboards, I still believe this is the best one out on the market for the last 5 years. Unless there's a new one coming out that's better than this, I will review it and keep you up to date. So like always, stay tuned for June because it's a feature-packed month for all your Apple gear and accessories. So like always, I'm your host, VLD, signing out. Peace.